I'm coming to you from Ndalat. I hope mnaweza nisikia na hiyo pepo. Oh my gosh, I'm looking at something. Okay, wacha ni catch kwanza kabla ni. Let me catch it. Mnajua tarushek. This is what I'm looking at. Actually, it's them. I gotta catch it, man. Okay guys, wakiniona nikiwa video. Okay, I'm running. So from where I was standing, you could clearly see that I'm on top of the waterfall. Now by now you've already know that we are at KOROMOSHO. Aki guys, I'm so guilty. Sijaenda KOROMOSHO, like nimeka Eldoret 15 years. I do not know how I have never been to KOROMOSHO. Yeah, hi again. We had a nice hike. Well, ikuwa hike kubwa, but ni hike. Unajua, the waterfall was amazing. It always is. This is my first like hike, so to say, since niumia mguu. For those who know me, nilikuwa nimeumia mguu, and I actually thought like I would never hike again. The way hiking is so nice to me and exploring, like kwangu, that's the one way you can like just think, toa vitu kwa akili. Na hiyo time nilikuwa na vitu mingi kwa akili, like I didn't know what else to do because my leg was hurt. I need to hike, I can't. But you know, after some 3 weeks of indo kutotembea, finally I was back. Though nimerudi kwa fit, like nachoka haraka. Anyway, I definitely recommend you to come to this KOROMOSHO Waterfall. Not so far from town. Unajua barabara ya Ndalat. Not so far from town. Not so far from off the road. The moment umefika tu kwa gate, park gari hapo, it's over. Like there's no, hakuna kuingia ndani sana. So yeah, I loved this particular hike. It has some deeper meaning. That's what I can say. Yeah. See you soon in another video.